If okay, start. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, Doctor. And my name is Dr. Tishan Biapasabi. And for the group project and presentation, I choose the silver Berhad. Okay. Okay. First, for the background of the company, the silver Berhad now is known as the hi-fi conglomerate Berhad. Is the rich and turbulent history in Malaysia bakery and the confectionery industry. Here is the define into the background. The beginning where they founded in 1916 by Mr. Tan Chin Chuan as the standard commercially invented vulnerable premise. His business started with the product, the sweet, and then expanded into the biscuit and the cake. It was the group community through the 1917 and 1918 established itself as the major player in the Malaysia market. In 1992, the company rebranded as the Silverbird Group Berhad and was listed on the Bursa Malaysia Security Exchange. Eventually, the aggressive accredited other food and bakery company defined is the portfolio beyond the bakery product. They continue to grow into the lending manufacturing and distributor of the bread, roll, bun, cake, spread, and other consumer food items. The established strong regenerative present export product to the Singapore, Indonesia, and other Asian countries. Today, Today is Hi-Fi conglomerate Berhad will continue the operation as the major player in Malaysia bakery and confectionery industry. Its focus is the core business with the brands just as Silverbird, Gardenia, and Hi-Fi. The company has also diversified into the other sector, including property development organization, although it has overcome the past challenge. The Hi-Fi conglomerate Berhad is still working to rebuild the reputation and against the trust the investor. Overall, the Silverbird Berhad journey has been some by successful and setback. It remains the important player in the Malaysia food industry. But the challenge is the past, but the continue the overshadow is the present. Okay. Second, the chronology of the accounting scandal. The 2010 into the 2011, the SC investigation reading the failed statement on company in the 8 audited quarterly financial accounting of the Silverbird Berhad for the final year ending the 31 October 2010 and 2011. Because the financial misrepresentation were the exclusion in the management of the Silverbird under the leader Datuk Joe Santan and Daisy Chin have the report that they are the inflation financial statement of the company, as well as the overstated reverse and profit. Added to this was the unrecoverable consideration because the manipulation figure. The company continued to perform well with its share price within the peak in the 2011. In the end, the investigation remained unaware of the storm preparing. For the year 2011-20, the shock the Malaysia business landscape revealed the Silverbird Berhad accounting scandal. Once the famous bakery and the computing giant, the company faces public anger and the legal prevention after a year of the financial misrepresentation. There were the internal competition that finally became a norm. It was the reveal that there was a giant hole of the RM 120 million in the silver financial. This triggered the intermittent investigation by the Malaysia Security Commission SRSC because the news sent a shockwave through the market. Triggered the sharp drop stock price of the public outstrip. The situation has an impact on the once the trust the company function institution with media security and the loss the investor confidence. The scandal triggered the practice the Note 17 in the Bursa Malaysia listing requirement, including serious constraint about silver Berhad financial health. Therefore, the legal control the company underwent the management shake up to remove the Tan and Chen from the board. Although the internet shockwave, the silver Berhad and County scandal included in 2011, the following year, the unrevealed the complete web of the foul and purchase legal representation. This period from the 2013 and to the 2015 was the marked by deep investigation, great change to and the fight for the justice. The Malaysia Security Commission have launched the comprehensive investigation delving deep into the company financial record. Therefore, the SC used the forensic audit to the carefully analyze the Silverbird financial statement and thoroughly interview the key individual involved in the company operation. The result is the bigger hole that the original thought, where the actually investigation revealed the much larger the discrepancy of the into the internally RM 120 million report. It was the record the actually amount the loss was the estimate as the RM 297 million. Even for forensic audit, the undercover the method illegal used to manipulate the financial statement just the overstanding inventory, invested sale figure and the created the financial account. For third, we have a legal implementation is the punishment under the section and the outcome of the court hearing. The civil Berhad, the county scandal, criticism by the created by year of the financial mispresentation and the leading to the legal viscosity. The intellect, the company and the former execution in the complete with the legal implementation. Okay, first for the punishment and the section. Datuk Johnson Tan and Derek Chin, the former CEO and CFO, the Silverbird, were exchanged under the section 300 369B of the Capital Market and the Server Act 2007 is the CMSA. This section specifically deal with the official as knowing provided failed statement to the Bursa Malaysia and the Malaysia Stock Exchange. The penalty for the violation. This section can include the imprisonment of the up to 10 years and fine of the up to 1 million ringgit. Okay, next we have a court hearing result. After the year of the legal proceeding, Datuk Johnson Tan and David Ching finally pleaded guilty to the one count each for the making the failed statement in November 2022. Although they are faced possible severe penalty under Section 369B. For individual receive the light sentence, and the court sentenced each of them to the 1 day in prison as the similar gesture as the knowledge ledger to the gravity of their crime. In addition, they were each fined Rm 500,000 ringgit. Okay, next we have the factor that lead to fraud. The Silver Berhad accounting scandal served as the conclusive tale of how a confusion of factors can cause even established companies to the commit large-scale fraud. While the full picture is always complex, the reason behind the fraud are complex and the multi-factors, often involving and combination of the factors convening at any given time. While there is no single reason for the fraud, for the some common element often playing role. First, we have the pressure, the financial stress, such as the mountain deep and all the desire for the luxury lifestyle. It, it can also be the emotional stress, such just as the need to maintain the image of the success or the fear to lose the job. For this problem, is mainly due to the financial performance. For the silver Berhad is facing the declining profit and pressure to maintain their share price. So the company must feel committed to resolve the financial manipulation. As the also we have the personal motivation. It is because the individual involved may have the motivation by personal financial gain, so gain to the enrich their self or inflation bonus or stock option. Next, we have the opportunity. This refers to the access and ability to commit from without being detected. Even even with even with internal control, let the oversight and poor accounting practice can create opportunity for the period control. So the silver Berhad may have the weak internal control system. This is because the company has the least robust the internal control and auditing process, the creating a vulnerability for the manipulation. Even the management control system, because the dominated position of the Dato Johnson Tan and David Ching in the company give them the great control and the opportunity to bypass the oversight the machine. Okay, next we have the rationalization. This This involves the justify at the discretion of the to oneself, often thought the self-discretion of minimize to have cost. Rationalization can range from the "I deserve it" to the "I just found it" to "and will pay back later" to the to "I saved the company from the bad decision." For the silver Berhad problem, it may be the due to the sake for the short-term profit. This is because they have to justify to the action by prosecution immediate financial performance and saving the company from the potential bankrupt in the short term. In addition, it is the positioning by for the individual involved to have the normalizes the wrongdoing. Even normal after decision over time, constant manipulation and decision may have to become the embedded in the company culture, make it seem less the horizon to the host that involved. And finally, we have the other factor that may be the relation in the industry pressure due to the competitive nature of the bakery and confectionery industry can create the desire to achieve the unrealistic target and surpass competitors. Plus, the problem with the Parisian corporate culture. A culture that prioritizes the big growth and prioritizes profit over the ethic may have created the environment constricted to risk behavior. Corporate stimulus for the advancement in the field of accounting and auditing, even though the implementation impact whether served at the weak present. The incident prescriptive led the significant reform in the law and the profession that were implemented. It is because the regulator body body and the government often respond to the scandal just as the Silverbird has case by implementing stricter accounting and auditing standards to close the loophole exploited by perpetrators. In addition, the code of the ethic will be exchanged as professional accounting body frequently reveal their code and of ethics, emphasizing independent dual intelligence and bipolar projection to present the recurring of the ethical practice. In addition, the auditing method will be improved. This is because the scandal will trigger the advance in auditing methodology, with the focus on data analysis, technology driver risk assessment, and forensic accounting technique to detect the preserve the fraudulent activity. There are even the increase the transparency and the disclosure. The company will therefore implement better internal control and transparency measures to regain investor confidence and ensure accurate financial report. Okay, last And last, we have the long-term effect. Most silent system will be built. Although each scandal created the setback, the result changed over time. Although there each scandal created the setback, the resulting change over time, crowd and the most and more reboot the relevant accounting system. In addition, there is cognitive evolution. Cognitive evolution. The profession with the constant evolve to adapt and to the new challenge and advancement technology to protect financial market and the investor confidence. Next, increase focus on the professional ethics. There is reward even renew application on the professional ethics in the accounting and audit performance profession. Besides that, in increase, increasing the auditor independent, where the scandal could lead the scripted regulation on the auditor independent possibility potentially including mandatory reporting of the audit firm and restriction on closing reserve providing to the client. Thank you. Thank you. We have the. That's all for me. Thank you. Thank you.